In this video, we're going to cover Amazon SNS, or Simple Notification Service. So what is Simple Notification Service? Well, it's a web service that coordinates and manages the delivery or sending of messages to subscribing endpoints or clients. In Amazon SMS, there are two types of clients, publishers and subscribers, also referred to as producers and consumers. Publishers communicate asynchronously with subscribers by producing and sending a message to a topic, which is a logical access point and communication channel. Subscribers, like web servers, email addresses, Amazon SQS queues, and Amazon Lambda functions, consume or receive the message or notification over one of the supported protocols, including Amazon SQS, HTTP or HTTPS, email, SMS, and Lambda when they are subscribed to the topic. Let's check out how that looks in a diagram. So you'll see here in the center of the diagram we have an SNS topic, and you'll see that a publisher is pushing a message to the SNS topic, which is then publishing it to one or multiple subscribers, including Lambda, SQS, HTTP, email, and SMS. When using SNS, you as the owner create a topic and control access to it by defining policies that determine which publishers and subscribers can communicate with the topic. A publisher sends messages to topics that they have created or to topics that they have permission to publish to. Instead of including a specific destination address in each message, a publisher sends a message to the topic. Amazon SNS matches the topic to a list of subscribers who have subscribed to that topic and delivers the message to each of those subscribers. Each topic has a unique name that identifies the Amazon SNS endpoint for publishers to post messages and subscribers to register for notifications. Subscribers receive all messages published to the topics to which they subscribe, and all subscribers to a topic receive the same messages. And that wraps it up for this quick introduction to SQS. In the next video, we're going to jump into the AWS console to get more acquainted. In this video, we're going to use the AWS console and our Cloud9 environment to interact with SNS, or Simple Notification Service. Let's do that by clicking Services, finding Simple Notification Service, and clicking there. The first step we need to take is to click the Get Started button, and this will bring us to the SNS Creation Dashboard. And you'll notice on this page that you have the ability to do a few common actions, including creating a topic, creating a mobile platform application, or creating a subscription, or publishing either messages or text messages. But for now, we want to create a topic. Let's enter a topic name. And then a display name, which is the name that will display when a subscriber sees the topic. And let's create that topic. Now, recall that the two main elements to a topic are publishers and subscribers. Publishers are people that publish to a topic. Subscribers are people that subscribe to a topic and receive the messages published to it. So the first thing we'll want to do is create a subscription. Notice that the topic ARN, or Amazon resource name, has already been populated for us, so we don't need to worry about that. For protocol, you have several options. So where is this message going to get published once it's sent to the topic? For now, I want to choose email. And I'm going to use my own Gmail as a subscriber. So one thing about email subscriptions is that they need to be confirmed by the endpoint user. So before I'm able to send messages to my own email address from this topic, I'll need to confirm that. So I'm going to take a brief minute to go to my email. And there it is. Just a few short moments after I set up that subscription to the topic, I got this email saying that I've chosen to subscribe to this topic and would I like to confirm. So I'm going to click to confirm. And that's all there is to it. You'll notice that if we go back to the SNS dashboard and reload this, then pending confirmation has been removed and it's been replaced by a subscription ID, which means I am successfully subscribed to this example topic. Now that we have a topic subscription, let's publish to the topic, which we can do by clicking Publish to Topic. So once again, it's going to populate the topic ARN, so we don't have to worry about that. We're just going to give it a test. And then for message format, you can give it JSON if you'd like. I'm going to stick with raw for now. And that's it. So TTL is there in case you need to attach a time to live for things like mobile push notifications, but we'll leave that alone for now. And finally, message attributes are there to allow you to provide structured metadata items in case you ever need to do that. If you're publishing to a Lambda or an SQS or anything like that, then message attributes can come in handy. Right now, we're simply sending an email, so I'm going to leave both of those blank. And with that being done, let's hit Publish Message. All right, we have a successful message published message. So we're going to give that a second, and I'm going to check my email. And there it is. Very shortly after I send that message, I have the hello from SNS email. So it's truly that simple to set up subscribers and publishers. Now that we've set up a published topic in the console, though, let's try it out with Cloud9. So in order to publish from the CLI to an SNS topic, we'll need the ARN of the topic. So let's grab that now and go to our Cloud9 environment. And first things first, we need a message to publish. So let's put a simple message in a text file. And let's put that in message.text. There we go. And now, it's a very simple command to publish to this topic. It's ANS, SNS, publish. And we have to pass it just a couple of things. So the first thing is the topic ARN, which we have in our clipboard. Next is the message, and let's give it the file of message.text. So once again, AWS SNS publish with the topic ARN and the message that we have stored in that file. Let's give it a shot. If this works, we should get a response with a message ID. And there it is. Since we got a message ID, we know that AWS SNS accepted our message and published it to that topic. And we can confirm that by going to my email, which I'll do right now. And there it is from sns.amazonaws.com. We have my message, hi, from the CLI. So if all of that makes sense, then that about wraps it up for this video. So feel free to move on.